Hello everyone, welcome back to again grade 11th class. So dear students, today our chapter 4th revision started. Especially this chapter name is the Physical Education and Sports for CWSN. CWSN means Child with Special Need. So dear students, last day we will discuss is the specially adopted in physical education. It means few concepts or few activities or few games are adopted. But today we will discuss is the new topic of it is the Special Olympic Bharat. So Special Olympic Bharat, this is also is the part of organizing, promoting, adopting sports. It means first is Special Olympic Bharat. So firstly we will discuss is the what is the meaning of Special Olympic Bharat. After this, mission, logo, vision, oath, goal, programs and achievements and benefits of these achievements. So today we will discuss it especially briefly for Special Olympic Bharat. So Special Olympic Bharat is the Special Olympic Bharat is a national sports federation that provides training to people with intellectual disabilities and conducts Special Olympic programs throughout India. The Special Olympic Bharat is official adopted by the Special Olympic International, the world's largest sports organization for children and adults with intellectual disabilities, and it was founded by Anis Kennedy Shriver. The idea was seeded in June 1962 when Shriver started a day camp called Camp Shriver for children with intellectual disabilities. The main objective of this camp was to give these children opportunities to develop physical fitness, yeah, demonstration, experience joy and participation in the sharing of gifts, skills and friendship. So Camp Shriver become an annual event and evaluated into the Special Olympic. The first international Special Olympic summer games were held in 1968 in Chichon. Okay, especially 1968. So in Special Olympic was founded in India in 1987 and come to be now as the Special Olympic India. In 2001, it was changed to the Special Olympic Bharat and registered under the India Trust Act. The SOB, Special Olympic Bharat, is recognized by the Government of India, a national sports federation for the development of sports for people with intellectual disabilities. So next is mission. So mission is the Special Olympic Bharat main mission is its mission is to provide sports training and sports committees throughout the year for children and adults with intellectual disabilities, giving them present and opportunities to develop physical fitness. The mission of the SOB is the Special Olympic Bharat is to provide year-round sports training and athletes competition in a various of Olympic type sports for children and adult with intellectual disabilities, giving them continuous opportunities to develop physical fitness, yeah, demonstrate courage, experience joy and participation in the sharing of gifts, skills and friendship with their families, yeah, other Special Olympics athletes and the community. This is the main mission. So next is the to achieve the mission, the Special Olympic Bharat has laid down the following objectives. My main is first, focus on holistic development and training. Next is motivate children, it means with disability, to join school and reduce the dropout rate. Next is create role model who will inspire the children to participate in sports and other extra curriculum activities and also motivate their parents to support them. Next is training a physical endurance teacher, trained a physical education teacher who can work with special children schools and in community centers. This is the special missions. So after this, next is the involve the community in conducting activity and change negative attitude and misconception to accept people with intellectual disabilities. So after this, next is main logo, Special Olympic Bharat logo. So dear students, logo is the Special Olympic logo depicts 5 fingers in a unifying circle. It means 5 fingers in a unifying circle. Symbol is the global presence of people with intellectual disability. The fingers have arms in a lower position. Arms in a lower position. This is okay. This one is the fingers in the lower position. So next is the recalling the time when many people were unaware of the talents and abilities of adult and children with intellectual disabilities. The sight arms describe a greater equality and outreach. The raised arms represent joy and contributed realistic of ultimate goals. After this, next is vision. So vision is also the main part Special Olympic Bharat. The vision, it means the vision of the Special Olympic Bharat is to transform communities by inspire people throughout the world to open their minds. Accept the intellectual people with intellectual disabilities and thereby celebrate the similarity common to all. This is the main vision. Okay, so after this, next is oath. So oath also is the every game before game started. Oath first. Oath means especially several people with intellectual disabilities strive together for excellence and appropriation by training the oath. It means let me win. What if I cannot win? Let me be brave in the attempt. Okay, the oath was recited by Eunice Kennedy Serval at the opening ceremony of the very first Special Olympic International Game at Jichong. Okay, so next is the goal. So without goal, I am not success. So goal is every person decided. So main goal is its goal is to provide change to mentally retired person or persons with intellectual disabilities to become useful and productive citizens who are accepted and respected in their communities. This is main goal. So after this, next is programs and programs related. So program is the different. The Special Olympic Bharat organize various sports events and programs to groom not just athlete but also coaches. So other initiative aim at individual the community to create a stimulate environment for the athletes. So some of them are mentioned below. So first is the sports training. So sports training also is the main program. It is provided for various summer games, athletics, badminton, basketball, football, etc. So winter game, winter games is the folk winter games are related, especially hockey, speed skating, extra, floor hockey, and local games kabaddi and kho kho also is this is the Indian game. Okay, so next is the sports competition. So sports competition also is there are organized at various level, local, district, state, national and international level sports competition is the this one. So after this, next is the advanced coaching training program. So advanced coaching training program is the ACTP. Okay, short form is the program were set up for the education and training of specialized coaches. This is the advanced coaches training program, ACTP. Next is the main training in games management system. It is GMS, games management system. These are conducted to impart computer knowledge to coaches who manage the sports events. So after this, next is achievements. So achievements also is the this one. It means national level, world level. So especially achievements is the first national level. So national level games is related. It means achievements is the sports Olympic Bharat has been organized national game in various disciplines since 2002. A total of 23,750 athletes have participation in the 5 national games held between 2002 and 2011 in different parts of the countries. So next is the world games. World level games related, especially is the world level games related for a total of 671 special Olympic Bharat athletes have participated in several World Summer Games and 5 World Winter Games between 1987 to 2030. They have been won 246 gold, 265 silver and 275 bronze medals in those games. Okay, so after this, benefits of these games related, it improves physical fitness and motor skills. Next is develops self-confidence. Okay, next is develops positive self-images and friendships. Next, it helps is in building leadership, promoting health of athletes. And last is it helps in strengthening athlete mentally, physically, socially and emotionally also. This is the specially benefit of Special Olympic Bharat also. So dear students, I hope you understand this topic Special Olympic Bharat. So any student doubt for this topic Special Olympic Bharat, so anytime call me. Okay, so anytime call me this number. Any doubt for Special Olympic Bharat. Thank you and have a nice day.